Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Thursday, January 29th, 2015. It is a brutally cold morning out there with temperatures into single digits over the interior and even along the coast away from some of the urban areas. Meanwhile, in your urban areas, look for upper teens to lower 20s. You can think all that concrete keeping you warm and out of the single digits this morning. And you can see the influence of our snowpack clearly in place with clear skies and winds generally from the north at around 5 miles per hour. On the radar, we do have approaching snowfall on the way for this evening on through early tomorrow morning. Again, not a heavy snow threat in any way, shape, or form, but certainly a nuisance with a coating to 2 inches expected for most locations and up to 3 inches possible in portions of Connecticut, the Hudson River Valley, and also northeastern Pennsylvania. For the most part, this is a fast moving clipper with a burst of light snow on the way, but overall not a major event. Do watch out on your roadways with the threat for black ice, especially for tomorrow morning. On our surface map, you can see our area low pressure starting to consolidate to move through the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area tonight, and they explode over the Gulf of Maine, producing periods of heavy snow for portions of northern New England. But again, for our area, pretty much a light snow threat for tonight into tomorrow morning. Look for a start of the snowfall around 5 p.m. this evening. Again, generally scattered, picking up and becoming more widespread around 8 p.m., especially for the New York City metropolitan area, and then ending between 7 a.m. and 10 a.m. from west to east. This snow will be light, and the visibility will generally range from 4 to 6 miles. Now, we have another storm threat for Monday. When we take a look at the water vapor satellite picture, you can see our disturbance starting to brew here in the Gulf of Alaska. The key to the storm is the position of this upper level low. Where this upper level low sets up, will set up a storm track over our neck of the woods, and that, of course, would lead to the threat for either a snow to rain threat, all snow threat, or just a very light snow threat, depending on which way the upper level low around the Hudson Bay sets up. So we're going to take a look at the GFS model guidance in a moment. On the infrared satellite picture, you can see our clipper approaching with some lifting involved here with this clipper. Again, not a heavy snow threat, but a minor one can be expected. Now, let's take a look at our GFS model guidance. Now, first of all, for this afternoon, clouds will increase today. Temperatures will rise into the mid to upper 30s throughout the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area, generally ranging from 35 to 38 degrees throughout the region. For tonight, our snow showers move in through the region. Again, most locations a coating to 2 inches of snow can be expected. Temperatures will fall into the mid to upper 20s for lows by tomorrow morning. For tomorrow afternoon, as that cold front moves through the region, look for your high temperatures generally in the mid to upper 30s, then falling off rapidly through the 20s as we get into tomorrow night. Then by Saturday morning, with high pressure in full control, look for temperatures to plummet into the single digits to lower teens throughout the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. Now, high pressure will be in control for Saturday and for much of Sunday, with scattered cloud cover and generally tranquil weather conditions expected. But an area of low pressure is brewing over portions of the Mississippi River Valley. So for Saturday and Sunday, look for high temperatures on Saturday in the lower to mid 20s. On Sunday, low temperatures in the mid to upper teens, high temperatures in the upper 20s to lower 30s. Now, this low pressure system is going to develop over the Mississippi River Valley and pick up a tremendous amount of moisture from the Gulf of Mexico. It's not a very strong low pressure system, but it's a moisture loaded low pressure system. Now the question is, where does this upper level low set up? The position of this upper level low is going to be very key because that'll tell you what the storm track is going to be moving forward. So as our storm develops on Sunday and approaches on Monday morning, periods of moderate to heavy snow will be possible if it takes the GFS storm track. I should note one model, the Canadian model guidance, is a little bit further north and leads to a wintry mix over the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area and rain for central and southern New Jersey. Meanwhile, another model guidance, the European model guidance, suppresses the storm track just a bit and basically keeps us on the very light end of this snowfall potential. For now, I'm going with a snow threat for much of the region with a wintry mix right along the immediate coast. And then we'll see exactly how this low pressure evolves. We should get a better handle on the position of this upper low I'd say by tomorrow morning with the 12Z Friday run. So we'll probably get a pretty good feel on the forecast overall by the afternoon tomorrow with this low pressure system. But you can see clearly there's a threat for some significant snowfall on Monday with this low pressure system. Now, once this low pressure system moves through, then we're talking about high pressure in control with generally tranquil weather conditions, a few snow showers here and there and flurries, but no significant storms after Monday. Now, Tuesday and Wednesday are going to be rather chilly. We're going to have low temperatures on Tuesday in the single digits below zero to single digits above zero for lows, and high temperatures only in the upper teens to lower 20s. On Tuesday, on Wednesday, we moderate just a little bit, getting to the single digits to lower teens for lows and upper 20s to lower 30s for highs. And then on Thursday, we fall right back into the deep freezer with low temperatures in the single digits to lower teens and high temperatures in the lower to mid 20s. So clearly we are in a cold pattern. The question is, will everything line up to produce more snow, or will it stay suppressed just to the south? That's your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Thank you for following NY and JPA weather, and as always, stay safe out there.